It was devastating, obviously, but I felt very lost, and I didn't know which way was up or which way to go, who to trust, who not to trust, who to talk to, and it was very overwhelming, just the entire process. It just completely throws the wool over your eyes and you have no idea where you're going and how to move forward. I was hopeful that it could be repaired because there was extensive amount of damage, but the way that it looked like there was hope, a little bit of hope. Like it was a lot to take in, but it looked like there was a little bit of hope.
Gotcha.
From what we could tell. It wasn't anything that we had expected, I didn't know that, this is what people do for a living, that they help rebuild people's lives, and I didn't know that was a thing. And I've told lots of people how blessed we've been to have the guidance that we've had from Swartz, because I wouldn't know any which way to navigate what we went through. It was so smooth. I feel like everything fell into place. We were given, examples on what we could do and what we wanted to do. And Randy was always very, he was just more than willing to make our visions come true. Like what we wanted, he was more than willing to help and go above and beyond for what we wanted to make our home again, to give us our lives back. And it really meant a lot because, like I said, they just laid out everything in front of us, and it just was really simple moving forward. Like, what colors do you want? What flooring do you want? And it was just like, you want it? We'll make it happen. That's what we're here for. They were here to make it happen for us, and they did.
Awesome.
The moment I met Tim, he was a great guy. And then working with Sheris, she's wonderful. And then Randy and his wife, great people. They go above and beyond, and I couldn't be more thankful for the help that you guys have given us. If there are people that are willing to help, I feel like those people, they genuinely want the best for you. And that's how we felt working with Swartz, is their goal was just to help us and lift everything off to make us a home again. And that, I guess my advice would be, if those people want to help you, let them help you, because they're going to do the best that they can. And I feel like, we're living proof of that. We've been through it, and I don't know what I would have done without you guys, because, we'd never been through something like this before, and it really means a lot to have people in your corner that are going to take care of you. It just means a lot.